Hey, this is Sasha at the BBK Performance Showroom in Temecula, California. And today we're excited to present the latest addition to our line of performance exhaust products, the new fully adjustable VariTune performance muffler system. Our revolutionary patented design allows enthusiasts to go from a mild 3-chamber muffler to a more radical straight-through design, increasing both horsepower and sound in just minutes. You can let your muscle car roar with the track or street performance settings from the back of the muffler by turning the adjuster in or out, tuning the power chamber. Simply loosen the chamber adjustment screw to increase the sound by up to 8 decibels while giving it an additional 10 to 15 horsepower over stock, or tighten to mellow out the sound for those long road trips and daily commutes. Competitively priced and designed for most American muscle cars and trucks, our VariTune performance mufflers are available in aluminized or stainless steel and 2.5, 2 3/4, or 3-inch models to fit most popular applications. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more information on these or any of our hundreds of other performance parts by checking out our website at www.bbkperformance.com.